Now, recently, I've been asked a lot whether you can use NordVPN on multiple devices. Now, NordVPN is one of the best VPNs currently available. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the number of devices that you can use under one NordVPN subscription. Also, if at any point in this video you would like to check out NordVPN, you'll find all the useful links, including a discount link in the description down below. Okay, so let me address the question, can you use NordVPN on multiple devices? The answer is yes. NordVPN allows you to use its service on up to 6 devices simultaneously, which means you can secure your laptop, smartphone, tablet, etc. all under one subscription. Also, NordVPN is compatible with a bunch of devices and platforms, which includes Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, routers, etc. So you can secure nearly any device you own. However, keep in mind that exceeding the device limit specified on your subscription plan may result in some devices being temporarily unable to connect until a slot becomes available. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you're interested in NordVPN, you'll find all the useful links, including discount link in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.